How to tie the Zeppelin Bend. So here are the two ropes that we're going to tie the Zeppelin Bend in. First of all, I'm going to take the yellow rope out of the way, and with the red rope, what I'm going to do now is form an underhand loop. So just take it round, form an underhand loop like so, and you can see now here that the working end is going around underneath the standing end at this point here and off to the standing end. So basically what we've done is we've formed the number 6. You can see the number 6 here. I'm now going to take my yellow rope, and this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to form an overhand loop. So I form an overhand loop, so bring it round and then down like so. And as you can see here, what we've done now is we've produced 69. Now that we have the 69, I take the 9, the red yellow rope, and I pass it on top of the red one. Just make sure those two loops are the same size. So now that I've passed the rope over the top of the red one, I then take the working end of the red rope and I bring it over and pass it down through everything at this point, and then pass it through and then just pull it through. I then do exactly the same with the yellow rope, except this time I take it underneath and bring it up through the middle of everything. And then there we have it. We've now in effect tied our Zeppelin Bend, and it just leaves me to tighten it up now and just gently pull on all 4 ends, and eventually you get this rather nice symmetrical shape here where you've got 2 lugs on either side, 2 parallel lines in the middle, and if we turn it over, we've got exactly the same again. So there we have it. We have 1 in number Zeppelin Bend.